Is that happening to you? Is the handle of your JoeBlow Sport shooting up when you try to inflate your tires, even though you've properly placed this? See this little knob at the bottom? Carefully unscrew it. Don't do it upside down. That is where the so-called check valve is, and that is what is causing this issue. Very carefully unscrew this cap. Carefully remove it along with the spring. That is the check valve. This tiny plastic thing and the spring. The issue with mine was that this spring was a little bit bent. So all I did was clean it off a little bit and then I reinstalled it. To reinsert the check valve, put the spring back on. See that last little coil? Make sure it's not overlapping the other one. Next, gently place it into the hole. Get the little rubber seal. Push it in. Screw this on pretty tightly, all the way to the bottom. You don't have to overdo it because it can get kind of hard to pull off. Isn't it nice when it's just that easy? Now, back to the rock hard speed we all enjoy. Take care.